Alright guys, hi, this is Chris. Welcome back to the channel. If you love SEO, please subscribe if you have not and click the bell icon so you are notified when I upload new videos. Generally, I try to upload at least 3 per week. So in today's video, I will be discussing very quick competition analysis that you can perform quickly. Now there is deep analysis and then there's a quick, a SERP analysis, which I will be discussing in today's video. So let's get into that right now. I usually use plumbing as my example, so let's just stick with plumbing. So how about best pipe wrench for plumbing cheap, right? Let's just say that you're going after that. So for a quick competitor analysis, what you'll simply do is you'll probably have a bar. Let's just say you're using Moz because that's what I'm using at this present moment. So a quick competition analysis, what you will want to do is you'll want to scroll down and you're going to want to check the DAs of all of the pages. The domain authority of that particular page that you're trying to beat, you want that DA, we're just using the Moz metric now, okay? You want that DA to be lower than the DA of your page. So as you're scrolling through, if you come across numerous pages, not just 1 or 2, but say there's 3 or 4, there's a bunch of pages on here that have a lower DA than you, then the chances are you will be able to outrank them. Okay? Now, I want to tell you this with your competition analysis. If you're looking at a page that has a higher DA than yours, then you know it's going to be very difficult for you to beat them. Now, if you're looking at a page, okay, let's just say this page. It has a DA of 44, but a PA of 21. Okay, if your PA was, 40 or 43 or 47, or I mean your DA, if your DA was around the same and your PA was around the same, you could beat them. Now, if you have a page, okay, that has a high DA, domain authority rating, and a high PA authority rating, then the chances are it will be very, very difficult to knock them off the first page. If you have a high PA and a DA page that you're trying to beat, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to do that and very expensive. Now, let's just get into this really quick. Another piece of your competition analysis is when you're scrolling through, you want to be able to beat their domain authority rating. We're just using the Moz, okay? Again, I just want to cover that. Say you're using Moz, okay? You need to be able to beat their DA. Now, like I mentioned, if the PA is very high too, it's going to be difficult. So as a quick wrap up, what you're looking for is this. You want to be able to have a higher or matching DA equivalent, and you want to make sure that their PA and DA is basically lower than yours. That's really the quick 20-second, 30-second analysis that you want to do. Once you've done your keyword research and you've analyzed the SERP and came to the determination that you can beat the pages that are there, and not just 1 or 2, because query deserves diversity. So if you just see 1 or 2 pages on there that have really low domain score, doesn't mean that it's a SERP that you could definitely get into. So when you're looking through, all you're looking for is a DA that is going to be lower than yours. Once you establish that a SERP is going to be easy for you to get into, what you will then want to do is go to a page. We're just picking this page. Let's say that you could beat this page right here. They were on the first page. What you will then do is you're going to want to look at their on page. You need to see exactly how many images they have, how what's their headlines, how many words are on the page. You need to go then into your on-page analysis. But we're talking about competition analysis today. This was a quick way to determine if you can beat someone on the first page. You're going to simply look at the DAs, see if you could beat them, see how many are on the first page that are lower than yours. If there's numerous that are lower or matching yours, chances are you'll be able to knock them off the first page. So my name's Chris Palmer. If you like these videos, please subscribe. If you didn't like them, give me a thumbs down. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.